If you're carrying a weapon, entry is prohibited.
I'll leave the gun with you.
Shit.
Is something troubling you? What is it all for in the end?
Don't worry. Once we clean up these scum, your thoughts will change.
All right, let's go take care of it.